Hello, my name is Thomas, and in today's video we're going to talk about App Store optimization for your apps within the Apple App Store. Since not everybody has an app in both app stores, the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store, we decided to split up our videos and make one dedicated video for the Apple App Store and one dedicated video for the Google Play Store. First of all, why are we even talking about the topic App Store optimization within the App Store? The reason is quite simple, because there are 2 million apps within it. And in this video, you're going to learn how you can stand out from the masses. Before we talk about ranking factors, once again, we have to understand that we're talking about an algorithm in the background within the app stores that decides which apps are being found on which keywords. Let's start with the most important thing that you can influence and that will also influence the algorithm in the background. And this is your app name. Not only is it the first thing that users will see and try to understand what your app is about, it is also the most important field within your description, within your store listing, that the algorithm takes in consideration when it starts analyzing your app, your information, and tries to understand which keywords you should rank for. This means put your most relevant keywords that describe what your app is about into the app title, because by doing so, the users will know what your app is about, as well as the App Store algorithm will know what your app is about. You can put up to 30 characters within your app name field. Use the most important keyword and your brand name within the title. The next field is the subtitle. The subtitle always comes with your app name. Think of the subtitle as of some kind of claim. Use the subtitle to describe your app so that people get a good understanding why your app is special, why they should care, and why they should download it. Like in the app name, we also have 30 characters for the subtitle. Next up, the keyword field. It's quite simple. You tell Apple for which keywords you want to be found within the app stores. You have up to 100 characters that you can use to put keywords to your app. It's very important that you separate those keywords by a comma, but you don't need a blank space after the keyword, because once again, it's an algorithm and the algorithm simply ignores the blank spaces. It's also interesting to know that you don't have to repeat the keywords that you have already put into the app name or into the subtitle. Next up, localization. The more you care about your users, the more the users will care about you. It's simple as that. What does that mean for App Store optimization? It means if you localize your App Store page into different localizations, meaning you also translate your description, you translate your screenshots, you will be more visible in those countries speaking these languages. If you want to learn more about the topic localization and why it is super important, we have a dedicated video especially for this topic. Click on the link and you will find it. Another very important point is installs per keywords. What do I mean by that? It's quite simple. When people search for a keyword and download an app, the App Store in the background links the keyword to the app that has been downloaded, giving feedback to the App Store that this app was super relevant for this keyword. When people search for a keyword and download an app, the App Store in the background links the keyword to the app that has been downloaded, giving feedback to the App Store that this app was super relevant for this keyword. This also means, once again, optimize for keywords that are relevant for your app, because otherwise, even if you're being found on those keywords, people are not going to download your app, and this simply doesn't have any effect for your app of being more visible within the app stores. Last but not least, the total amount of installs. It's a quite simple equation. The more installs you have, the more visibility you will have within the app stores. If you want to find out what are relevant keywords, how am I already found within the app stores, what are people searching for if they want to download my app or a competitor app, go over to appradar.com and sign up for our free trial and find the answers to all those questions. That's it for today's video. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the notification bell so you will get the notification as soon as our next video is live, and keep optimizing. Is it already recording?
Yes.